Okay, so I'm going to try to explain how to make cordage out of nettle. It's a fun way to make cordage out of something that is ever present in the woods. So first you're going to want to harvest some nettle stems. Wear gloves, cut them off at the base, strip the leaves off and the spines so that you have a nice green stem. You're going to want the fibers on the outside of the stem, so you need to get rid of the pith. To do that, you're going to want to find a flat surface, nice round branch, and just crush the stem with the branch. It's going to crush up the pith inside and then split it open. And let's see if I've got one here to work with. Then you just split the pith out and separate it from the fibers like this. You'll have longer fibers. Then you want to shred the fibers so they're as thin as you can get them. You can just sit here and do this for a really long time. Get as much as you want. You can make these into like a thin little cord for a bracelet or a thicker cord to do some work with. Once you get all of them shredded down, you're gonna have a big bundle of cords like this. You're gonna want to twist them until they begin to twist back on themselves. Makes a little kink there. There you go. That's going to be the beginning of your cordage. So you're going to hold that, continue to twist and wrap around. Twist and wrap around. Like this. Over and over. And that should give you your cordage. You can make this as long as you want. This is incredibly strong. It won't break. You can dry it out. And it's kind of like a hemp rope. Once you get to the ends, if you want to make it longer, you just continue adding shredded pieces in as you twist and wrap. And you can make it as long as you want. So there it is, nettle cordage.